Hello, it's your boy Zeus, and today we're gonna play JJS, but there's a new update on it. So I'm gonna show you guys the new character that got free, and it's hold up, yo Kurt, hold up, Kurt, I'm recording, doing it with a friend. We do this. Boost on, I already know how boosts work. He's just gonna die. We are also gonna showcase custom movesets that me and him made. Up. Oh god, I forgot he's also a pro at this game. Oh god, I forgot he's good at. I just started with Oh god, oh god. He knows how to play as Hakari. Well, I know how to play as Mekamaru. For some reason he always brings flashes and I'm still We're just both gonna 1v1 and see who's better in terms of skill. Oh my god, bruh. The problem is with Mekamaru, he barely has any range. I don't know, I should try. I have like 240. Where the hell is this guy? Where the heck is this guy? What up? Bro, he's using. Yes. I can still beat bro, but the problem is I don't really have that much skill. You can also hold this to do more damage. 2, 3, couple. Oh, he's distracted. Kaboom. Oh yeah, he's using a custom moveset. I actually. I understand how to play as Mekamaru now. So he does have a little bit of movement. 2, 3, couple. Trash can!
Rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh, I'm kinda cooked because Die. So me and him are gonna 1v1 sets that we know. Great. Oh god. So we're gonna use custom movesets and let's see who's better. Bro, how do you shoot it? Bro? There we go. I am also one of those.
Paper, scissors with my cat. Paper, scissors.
Oh. No! God, you can't do this. I was gonna showcase. No! Doing funny moments with my friends.
Playing rock, paper, scissors.
Stop yapping. Okay. God damn it, bro, that was too OP. Oh! Still kill. I can still kill. don't kill him. If I just hit him with the right time.
Playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
Can I survive? Can I survive? Never mind. Kaboom! I can still do this. This is still winnable! Let's go! I am the goat. I am the goat. I am the goat. Ha! I'm better. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know how the heck did I get better. Oh my god, thank you so much. So you gotta showcase his abilities meanwhile me. Hold on. Why would you ever? Oh! Oh! Gah! Uh, uh, uh. I am the undying kid! No! I am the undying person. I don't have one henchman like me. Oh, I hate you so much, you rat. Okay, I see how you want to play this. I see how you want to play this. Okay. Alright, it's fine. It's fine on me. You gotta be cool. Nice. I can actually. You're dead. Truck gun. Nah! You are not gonna use so this moveset. If you have to awake, you should use it. I am Titan Boa. Rah. I'll let him get it. I'll let him get it. Because I literally am that. Damn, you're infinite. Yoi Tenkai again, bro. You're not gonna win. Oh, I just bought my new emote. I just got a new emote. Oh, no. Punch everything. As Mekamaru in your mech, you gotta. There's a special bar when you get. Hold up, let me actually show you guys how. Before Kurt noticed that I'm gonna have to rework one of my moves. So if you get like Max Awakening like that, like you see that bar there, the rainbow bar, you have to actually. It's a second bar because it's actually your life force in the ult. So if you're like a slut like me, I can just use it like this. Then Cup finisher. Smacks. Ha. So yeah, that's all for Mechamar. There's also a variant on it where if you do this, yeah, yeah. Cup. Hold up, let me actually use this again. Hold up. Yeah, it also doesn't like use any of your abilities. So if I use, yeah, let me actually give myself no cooldown. Oh wait. I think you just. But I think when you like click on them, yeah, like that. Oh my god, not again, Kurt! I will shoot. I'm trying to. Oh no, 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 Kurt, Kurt. No. Nah. Ain't no way. The way they roll I I think you gotta press it. Really, bro? Alright, bro. I see how you wanna play this. I see how he wants to play this game. Alright, let me load this. Let me load this. It won't let me load. I would rather. Okay. I don't know if I should use one of my moves. So yeah, before we do that, let's actually showcase some moves. I already showcased that. So let me showcase partners. So when you press R, you'll have two new abilities. If you keep pressing R, we can down slam. Hold up. Rico, how dare you? Oh my god, he's gonna use it again. He used it again. That bro's gonna keep doing that. Yeah, I think he's mad. Nah, I did up. You can do this. If you do this, and if you use it twice, 3. Oh yeah, it won't work like that. What was that, bro? I can't even move. Bro, I totally didn't do anything. Also trolling my friends for no reason. For some reason, my thing doesn't work. My movesets don't work. I'm trying to load one of these. Oh. How about if I load hay and arrow but locked in? How about load this? Bro. What? While bro is just testing his custom hay and arrow, he's just testing his own custom hay and arrow moveset. Let me actually see. Flowers. Let me actually hold up. It just won't work. Sure. I'm tripping out, I'm tripping out, I'm tripping out, no, no, I wanna piss myself. Oh, there it is. Now everyone can use unnamed peasant. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a bad idea, isn't it? Oh my god, bro. Let me use my moveset. Not up. Let me actually just slide this open, and I think if I just configured, yeah, die is just so cool. Now if we do another skill, kaboom, call it true.
Okay.
Violin, true red violin, and hold on, and 5. While Kurt is right here spamming the moves for no reason. Why are you using my own? He is using my own moveset, okay. So as I think the multiplier should be like,
この程度だ。
I think bro killed himself. Yeah, I think he killed himself. Yeah. And he's gonna do an animation of like that. And then it does absolute destruction technique charge. I think it's what was it again? I think it's Miracle Cannon, yeah. Not that much, like about like infinite miracle cannons. Not that much. True red, I'm gonna do like 1000%, like a lot of that. Then yeah, and then after that, it's gonna do another move. Kurt, I will use my absolute version of my thing after I'm done here, and that should do it. Hold up. And let me actually save this. Save map. There you go. Now if you go here, now you unlock. No, I don't wanna die immediately, so I can be immune to my own thing. And now you're null. This is a secret map only for null. As you can see, I've made my own moveset. In this game, you can actually make your own moveset. And I already showcased two. As you can see, me and my friends are fighting. I will kill you in 10 seconds. Or it's what my favorite, cause it literally just kills them. It's gonna have 7 moves. Really, bro? Yeah, Knoll is just too OP. Like, if you ask me, he's the most strongest and most creative movesets I have ever made. Well, we're all just gonna die. Die. Like, this guys could just see this. Die. Like, I could summon an immortal dummy and it will die in under 10 seconds. Bro. Using that killed. This is just testing.
9 ropes, polarized light, crow and declaration, between front and back, follow.
And that did not. Y'all can technically see, Null is practically immune to all attacks. Yes, almost all attacks. There is a move that can actually bypass Null's physical embodiment of shadow and
9
immortality.
ropes, polarized
Oh my God.
light, crow and
Are we
declaration,
really
between front and back, follow. Purple.
Yeah, sorry guys for the lag. Yeah, Null is just. I didn't even get a single damage. Are we serious? He's gonna do that one move. Like, literally, like, the the only way to hit the embodiment of death, the embodiment of creatures, embodiment of saying no, embodiment of error, embodiment of end, and embodiment of the void is by using private server. And if you go here, yes, I am very sorry guys, but the only way to kill Null is by setting his HP to 0. And yes, that's how you can kill Null. That's the only way you can kill Null. Any physical form cannot be killed. Oh hey. Oh hey bro. Plus hey bro. The funny part is he cannot kill me. Like he can try every single move in this entire game, but Null can just look, I just evaporated him. Oh my god. Yeah, you can try bro, it won't work. Null can just delete your entire existence if he wanted to. So this is where he can phase through matter, I guess. Yeah, when you activate R, he can get a little faster. Like, look at this. He is literally just trying to find a way to find the weak point of Null. As you can technically see, if he gets just a little bit too close, he will die in under 10 and 25 seconds, or even 0. So yeah, that's all for the characters. I will be doing another custom one. It's called Me, and I'll do Inspiring Manga, Star Rage, Locust Guy, Salaryman, Head of Heian, Curse. Defensive Authority, Switcher, Blood Manipulation, Perfection, Ten Shadows, and Restless. I will be doing another part of this game. I'm just gonna showcase this moveset, which is very easy if you just copy some of these. Hold up. He didn't give me... Bro. Give me PS Plus. So yeah. Yeah, I think Null cannot die. Yeah, he can't die. He can't die, can he? So that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. It's a little bit of a boring video. Oh my gosh, he literally reset me. There you reset me. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy and like and subscribe. I will be doing another part of this. So bye. Oh my god, I'm gonna play in front of. So if you guys wanted me to do this, hope you guys enjoy. I will be doing one of these. So bye. See you in the next video. This is just a short video, I think. Oh my god, it's 23 minutes. Hope you just enjoy and bye.